Hello, welcome to our channel, Smart Data Learners. Today we will go through some latest trends, up-to-date trends in data analytics. In 2025. Let's start. And number one is AI-powered predictions and smart suggestions. Instead of just telling you what happened, like sales dropped last month, AI now can predict future trends. Sales might drop next month and even suggests actions, offer discounts, for example, discounts to prevent it. Number two, connecting all data like a web. That is also called data fabric. So basically, it's an important, also very important that all of the data, business data, which is scattered everywhere, like Excel, cloud, apps, data fabric, acts like a bridge linking everything so companies can see the full picture easily. Let's go to the next one. So that's very important. So we all the scattered data in silos, which we call like disintegrated data, now will be linked together so that the companies can see a full overall view of what's happening in the company. Number three, no more black magic box. AI, explainable AI. AI used to give answer without explaining how. Now it's like teacher showing its work, helping people trust decision. Your loan was for example, your loan was denied because of factors, right? Like if we look into I've seen that in a DeepSeek where it explained how he making a decision about our question, preparing an answer. So number four is analytics for everyone. The tools like Power BI and Tableau are now so user-friendly that even non-tech people like marketers can analyze data with simple drag and drop or by asking questions in plain English. So that's another requirement has long been asked by the end users so they can manage, they can develop their own solution that they can get the answers. So by some trainings in Power BI or Tableau, end users like non-technical people can get the answers from the data instead of asking to the IT people, which was very time consuming because explaining their requirements and what the IT people understand. So basically, there was always a mismatch. Now, by developing the user-friendly tools, the non-technical people can get the answers on their own from the data. Now, number five is faster insights with edge computing. So what is edge computing? Instead of sending data to faraway servers, analysis happen closer to the source, like in smart cameras or factory sensors, making real-time decision possible. Like for example, self-driving cars reacting instantly. See, that's a great breakthrough in. That's why these self-driving car and many like smart cameras operate based on the data they have on their locally, right? Now, number 6 is fake but useful data, synthetic data. That is called synthetic data. That is another term I have read many places. And but I wasn't sure what is synthetic data. Now this topic will be clear in this. To protect privacy, companies use artificial intelligence to create artificial data based on the real data that behaves like real data. Examples: testing a health app with fake patient record and all that. So this can be now developed using AI. AI can immediately create, like for example, we can develop the data using ChatGPT or DeepSeek, etc. Self-running artificial assistants. AI agents can now handle repetitive tasks automatically, like scheduling a meeting, flagging fraud without human input, but humans can check their work. So that's basically an extra like a advantage, extra benefit for the for the employees. They have the ability to use self-running AI assistants. So, for example, they can give a task to the AI assistant for checking or certain like scheduling meetings or fraud and all these things, and then they can look into in depth further to verify if that information is correct. It's very important now. Like it saves a lot of time. Before that, we initially when we started using calculators, people were using pencils, or they were using different ways of calculating. When the calculator came, they started using the calculators, and then they verify if anything they have made a mistake or something like that. So I think I provided an analogy. Maybe it's right or not, but basically these are working as a tools for experienced employees or the employees. Better data is equal to better AI. So instead of just tweaking AI models, companies now focus on cleaning and organizing data first, like sorting messy files to avoid biased or wrong results. So that is also another step forward. Now more focus on creating a better data instead of making better models. Once we have a better data, clean data, we will be able to get better answers instead of using AI models to use the wrong data or unfinished data or not correct data. So that's another step forward. Stricter data privacy rules. New laws like EU AI Act requires companies to be transparent, but new companies like EU AI Act require companies to be transparent, but how they use data, ensuring fairness and accountability. So that is also very important. Like new laws are now in place, requiring companies to be transparent how they use the data. So they should make fair and accountable decisions. They should not be like biased or like anything like that. So the focus is on fairness and accountability. Interactive and visual reports. Dashboards are becoming more dynamics, like 3D charts, visual reports, so users can explore data like a video game instead of staring at spreadsheets. That's the biggest advantage of having new tools like Power BI and Tableau and many other tools, like instead of now looking at the spreadsheets, which is very it's not ergonomically good for the eyes. Uh, it's always a famous saying that picture worth thousand words. So now having the charts and graphs and visual reports are more powerful than having the big spreadsheets. So in short, AI is getting smarter, predicts, explains, and even fake data. Hmm? Data is easier to access. No more silos, tools, or for non-experts. Speed and privacy, edge computing, synthetic data, as we mentioned above. Rules are tightening. Government wants ethical AI. Hope this makes it clearer. Let me know if you would like any part explained further. So that's it for our topic today, and I hope this will be helpful to our viewers. And if there are any questions, leave the comments. And if you like it, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, and have a great day.